Hello student, my name is Shubh Siyala. In this session, we learn the how to select in JTable record and update and delete operation in J2EE project. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I already opened the NetBeans 5.5.1 and that ID. So we can first in file menu open recent project. So that is a Honda underscore showroom. So previous my video lecture we can take the add and that is save and cancel and exit button coding. And now here that is we have to take update and delete. That is our target of this session. So update and delete we have to take because add, save, cancel and exit these four button in my previous video lecture, and there are series of this J2EE project. My sixth video lecture I already uploaded, and that is seventh video lecture for J2EE project. So yes, how to update and delete. So first we can select the record from J table. So this we can mouse click event take. So yes, here directly we can select, but that is J table. You can look here. So that is perfectly, and you can also select in inspector and here that J scroll panel one, and that is a hold the J table. So sometimes that is a select directly, that is J scroll panel, but we can select this J table and then right click directly here and event, and that is a mouse click event. Yes, so when we can select any record, so that appropriate control that record is bind. So yes, mouse click event that is open, and now we can start to our coding. So first we can select the record from, that is I give the ID is a grid. So JTable ID. Yes, so first step, so we can take one RC record counter and initialize to 0. So first, how many record in the database? So we can find, and that is we can say that record counter. Yes, that perfectly. And now next, that is a row one variable and grid. Yes, that is the ID of our J table, and we can get selected row. That is a one method. So get selected. Yes, that is a get selected row. So that return data type is integer. You can look here. That is a integer. So get selected row. That is a uh, come. What is first process? So if user click in the blank in JTable, so we can say that you can select the proper row. That type of validation we can first apply, and then we can select the one column of the JTable and then appropriate control that fill the data. So that is our goal. So first that two integer variable, and now we can take, yes, I first take as a full screen so you can watch better way. And try catch block we have to take, yes, now that needed because that some method is throw close. So try catch in advanced Java we can always take as try catch, and first that my habit, and we can write the print stack trace. It is a maintain. I previously told you in my previous video lecture. So print stack trace. So that is a maintain the error, and that is a stack algorithm. So that, throwable class there are two branch, exception and error. Error handled by the JVM means Java Virtual Machine, and exception use handled by user. So ourselves, so developer, that is meaning. Okay, now what to do? So we can take as rs and statement, and we can see take as execute query. So that is handler is result set. So we can already take as rs. So in my video lecture, in previous two video lecture, I declare the first java.sql package, and we can take connection, prepare statement and result set class. So if you not so I recommendation to you, you can watch all videos step by step and then you can understand. So yes, execute query. Yes, and which query we have to take? So that is a select how many record in the database. At first we have to count and compare to our that is a JTable. So if user by mistakenly select blank row, so we can give the message. You can select valid row or valid select perfect row. Yes, that type of message. So yes, that is select query perfectly. And now we can take one while loop and result set dot, that is a next method. You have to know that is return data type is boolean. So we can directly take in the while loop and then record RC counter. So we can plus plus. So both variable we have to use. You can look here. So first that is record counter we can use perfectly. And now turn to row. Yes, now here we can after that is a try catch block we can use as one if condition, that is a validation. So row, yes, row is greater than or equal to RC number of records. So that meaning user select the improper row. So first what to do? So we can clear, yes, that is we can call our clear method. So all control if selected blank, so we can clear first, yes, and then message box. So that ID is MSG and J option panel, yes, that is a ID of J option panel. So this perfectly. Now what to do? So here we can use as message yes, show message box. So show, and that is, yes, you can look here, that is a overloaded. So we can use, yes, four argument. So first is a parent component, so that is not ourself, means no any component, so we can pass the null. And then second, yes, so we can say that select, yes, select valid row. So if user select in blank row, and then we can here give the title or yes no button, but here we can pass only two, not four argument, but two. Or you can also pass the first the title like here alert, yes, or message, and then MSG, yes, that I think you have to know. Yes no, that is a okay or cancel button is there. You can look here, okay only, okay cancel option is there, and then yes no, yes no option, only yes, only yes no, yes no cancel. So yes, that is a perfectly, but we can take only two argument. So that is perfectly. And now yes, here directly we can return keywords. So yes, that is a return. Yes, now we can fill in the our appropriate control to user select the perfect valid row. So that is a just for validation. So what the process? So let us check. First we can testing this code in only. So if user select in blank row, so that give the valid select the valid row, means that not proper select row. So let us we can apply, yes, that is my always habit. So we can apply any code, we can first check and then after we can apply to more code. Otherwise what happen? So give the more error. So that is a, you can apply some coding and then check that code is perfectly or not, so we can chance to change. Otherwise all error is mixing and we can uh, difficult to find out which error come from which place. So yes, I compiled perfectly. You can look here, there is no any error, and now I can run this form. So that validation is work properly or not. So we cannot select proper row, but blank here. I click just directly here, mouse click. You can look, select valid row. That is a message. Automatically your message, information symbol, and only one OK button. So you can give your message, your title, and that is a symbol, and then OK or cancel button flow. So that is a we can say that four part of the message box. So first is title, then icon, then message, and button flow. Okay, so select valid row. Yes, you cannot select proper row. So what happened? Yes, okay. So that is a not take any action because that Now what to do? Now we can select yes proper row and appropriate control. So that ID take to employee ID, name, all are record field, and then we can perform the update delete. That is a perfect way to coding J2EE project. So I hope you can understand. So yes, yeah, I give the exit so we can come back. So our code is perfectly here. First I summarize. So first record counter 0, then row, selected row. So user select in the blank row. So first we can count how many record in the table, and then that is right in try catch. This if condition is out of the try catch block, and row is greater than record counter. So if user not select greater than means number of record is 3, but our row is 5 or 6 or that type of blank row. So we can clear first all control and clear method I define in my previous 2 video lecture, and message box select valid row and return. So that perfectly work. And now we can select user. We can show that now user select the. So we can validation code in the before our actual code means perfect way user select. Then now we can give the here code, and that now I can take R, so that is a row, and same method, so that is a grid, so JTable, and get selected row, that is the same method we can use as above. So that return type integer. Now we can show that is user select the perfect valid row, and then we can first column, because based on the first column we can select the record, user select record from J table, but we can take the record from our original table. So how? Just let us take. So that we can take one integer, and that I give the ID. So that is a you can say that EID, GEID, grid you. So that is a G, or table. So T you can also give, and then grid. Just that is a we can say that here we can take yes grid dot get, we can say that value at, get value at. So we can grid filling time this method use or set value at or get value at, both method is possible. And then return type is a object. So here we can take a integer wrapper class GEID. So EID is our original field, so I bind up one different variable name, that is reference integer wrapper class GEID, and then get selected at. So user select any row, but we can require to first column. So we can pass the first R, that is a we can select that row, user select that row, and which row that decide by get selected row, and we can take the first column because that is employee ID. So based on the employee ID we can select the record from table. But here error, because here that is a that return is a super class object. In Java, that is a, every class, that parent class is known that known as a object class, and here that is a integer class. So what to do? So yes, here need to type casting. So then and then our perfect. So here we can provide integer wrapper class. Yes, so error is gone. So that is our requirement. So yes, I think I hope you can understand. So very simple way I explain to step by step how to select the record from the J table, appropriate our control. Yes, our coding is perfectly. Now what to do? So again, that is a integer. We can take that employee ID in the integer value. So we can say that I take the employee ID. So I take only E. Yes, you can also take any variable name. And then what to do? So G, yes, that is a wrapper class GEID. So we can convert integer, that is a object type. So we can convert in integer type. So what to do? So yes, you have to know in Java that is a int value, that is a method. So that object integer wrapper class, that object convert into simple integer data type. So that perfectly. And now we can again take as try catch block. So that is needed. So perfectly. So now turn to we can fill our one by one, that is a appropriate record. And first, we can always assign the print stack trace in catch block. And now what to do? So we can first, yes, take as rs and statement and give the execute query. So we can select, I previously told you, user select the record in JTable, but our record come from the our original database table. So that is process we have to take in this coding. So yes, selected asterisk from emp info, that is our table name, and we can take as where clause, so which record needed by user. So where, yes, and that our original that column, that is eid employee id, and then we can concat, and that is a e only. Where the e, here you can look here, that is a, we can select from the our grid view or JTable. So ID give the JTable as a grid. Yes, grid. So perfectly. So our user select in the JTable, but record come from the our original database table. So that process, and now we can start. Yes, sir. But one record is a select in the next. So means in table that index start with the 0, and that we can select the, here is a one record is minus, so we can plus. So how plus? So that is a rs dot next method, so that taking perfect our selection. So otherwise what happened, that previous record is selected, so exactly our requirement record is a next, uh, so that we can use as a rs dot next. So now first that our selected record is come into the picture. So yes, that is, if you miss this next method, so you can look here, when we can take as counter, so we can also use as a next method. So one by one record is counting, so that is we can take as a while loop next. But here only one record needed, so we cannot take any while loop. So rs dot next, so that is a our exactly cursor hold the in table that the next record, because that is a one less, so we can take the counter plus plus, that type of meaning in the next. So now perfect our record required to the match in the JTable in our original database. So that cursor is reached perfectly. Now we can start the filling. Yes, like when we can select our appropriate control. So when we can update and delete. So first we can select the JTable uh, original record from come from the database table. So I think, I hope you can understand. So any question regarding this coding, so you can write in the comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Okay, now what to do? So yes, first that our field, and that is a text box. So text eid. We can say that set text. Yes, that is a text. And now we can bind. Yes, so that is a double quote and plus, and that rs and get in. So first is employee ID, and there are two means overloaded. So you can pass the column name or column index. So yes, we can start the column index is 1, and that, yes, here integer, but we can set text, but here in double quote blank and then plus, so that convert integer to string. So there is no any type casting is required. And now second field, so that is a our employee name, txt nm, that is id. So I design time, master form design time, I take the all control id, so you can watch, so I not repeat all that part. So yes, what to, so same, just set text, and that is a rs dot get string, because that is employee name, and that we can take as column index. Column is index start with 1 and array index start with 0. So that is a different. So we can take here rs dot next. Yes, now you can think, understand what I can do in this process. Okay, so yes, two field is selected from JTable to our original database table. Now third field is a that is a gender. So yes, that is a optional radio button, male or female. So what to do? So we can first take one s1 string variable, and that is rs dot get string, that male female is in the string. So we can give the third column and take in s1. So how now we can select our radio button? So first, yes, that is a here we can select using the if condition, and that is we can say that s1 and then equal method. So and then our radio button id opt mail, and that get text. So that text is matched. So what to do? So yes, opt m for mail, opt is optional button, or you can rb radio button, and that we can say that is selected. So is selected, that is a boolean value return, but we can set selected. Yes, we can set selected and pass true. So that radio button male is selected, and else part opt female. So that is id, and set selected, that is a method, and we can pass the true. So if condition is false, so that is a third field we can select based on our J table. Yes, that record we have to take from original database table. So I repetition this part because that's very important. So we can click in the J table, but record come from our original database. So we can take as that select query, execute statement class execute query, and then return is a result set class. So yes, three field is completely now turned to our employee department. So that is a very important. So how this we can take employee department. So that is a combo box. Yes, J combo box, and that is ID is a combo underscore TEPT department, and then we can say that set just selected item. So yes, set selected item and double quote plus sign rs, and that is a get string. Yes, and pass the column index, and that is a fourth one. Yes, so department is selected. Now turn to very important, and that is a joining date. So insert operation time we can convert to the simple date format two times. So like in access database that different in ddmm yy that formats, so some british and american, so format is different. So same process here we can apply simple date format class, that is a very important class, and we can convert to our format. So first I create one object. Yes, and that is a sdf, so simple date format, and take one object memory allocation, and again simple date format. So yes, that is a simple and then date format class, and we can pass that constructor to that first y four time and dash and mm. So that is a we can convert dd. So first we can take this format, and then java dot utility package utility, and then date class is there, so we can use as a date, and take id that object is a date. You can give any name, means that is a just we can take as a reference, and sdf. So what to do? So we can take as a fast convert our original txt. So that is first we can take date, and we can convert so that perfectly. So what to do? So how to convert? So yes, that is a we can take from database. Yes, here require. So that is a very important. So fast and double quote and then plus sign. Yes, that is required, and rs dot get date. So first we can convert this format. So get date, yes, and then fill column in 5. Yes, that is a column is 5 in our original database. So perfectly, and now again we can use as our this simple date. So I copy and paste, and now we can change the format. Yes, so first here require dd slash capital mm, then 4 times y. So this format is required to come from the database, and we can convert and take the utility date and then simple date format, and we can again the convert to our original database. So that is a we can use that format, simple date format. Yes. So yes, here we can change the object name, so that taking the error. So yes, I give the like SDD. Yes, so that error is gone. Now what to do? So yes, here we can take one string variable, and that is I give the str string or any name and SDD. So SDD, and one format method is there, format. So we can pass to our date variable. So which date? Yes, here you can look where we can take from the our that is a utility date class, and we can pass the that string. And now because our that is a text box, so we can take the date in the string variable, and now we can take joining date. So txt j date, that is a text box, and set text and pass the str string variable. So that perfectly our date. So that is a two times same, we can insert operation, we can convert to two time our format. So first that needed ddmm dash, yes, here first, and that is a required to in database format. So first that format, and we can type casting and take the date java utility date, convert this format to in this require in utility, and then pass ddmmy, that is our format method. So we can convert this format and display to our uh, j text field. So that is a ext j date, that is id of the j um, text field. So that perfectly means our date is proper selection in perfect or requirement format. So that is a very important. And now last field, and that is a checkbox. So again some coding we can require. So yes, let us check. Yes, why that is okay. So that is a in already defined. Okay, so how we can define? So yes, here, yes, we can define, yes, perfectly. So two time we can use, yes, that perfectly. So what is a problem? Exception. So I think that is a okay. So here that is a blank. So that is a required to error. Yes, again. So what to do? E. Okay. You we can already define in. Okay. So we can give the E. Okay. So here E variable. I think we can give in the yes here. That is a E. Yes. That is a troubling. So we can change that. Like I give the X variable. So there is no any issue. So because that is a taking, so any duplicate, so already we can define integer e, because employee, so I take as e, but that is a conflict in our try catch block. Because exception we can also provide the e, or here you can also change if x is not so we can give the like any perfect way. So our employee, that is a selection. So based on that selection, which variable is perfect way. So yes, we can search. So SEID, yes, that is I think here GEID, and now I give the SEID. So or you can give the X. There is no problem. Yes, if you understand. So search means that we can search in proper selection in our database. So SEID, and I give the SEID. So that is a very important. So your try catch block taking error because E for employee and E for exception. So both are conflict and taking error. So now in same code you cannot use one variables two times. Yes, that is very general rules in our programming language. So scope is different, there is no issue, but here same scope, that is a trouble. So that taking error. Now, yes, we can discuss as a, yes, that is very simple. So we can take as a 5-line coding for select our requirement format. So DD, so first YY dash MM and DD, and that date we can come a database and convert to utility package. And then again we can take, because utility require this format, and then our require in text, that is j text field our control, and we can come from our date in the database table, and that format we can again date pass to the string format required. Means string our j txt j date, that is our text field, and set text, and we can pass the string. So that is a format method of the simple date format. So format simple date format I use as a I think third time insert operation. Then our header bar, that the current date is required, and here that is a selection time in the J table. So I hope you can understand. So very simple way we can use simple date format, and that all method and format method is there. So and that constructor we can pass to a required format of the date. And now last field, yes, that is a very important, and that is a hobby. So how, yes, saying, so first I explained to in insert time, we can give the comma operator because only one field, and hobby is a three. So you can look our design. So hobby is a three, but that field is a one. And what is a separation? So either you can provide the blank space, or here I use in insert time, that is a comma, and delimiter, that known as. So we can use as a string method, and that is a split. So that is a based on our logic. So yes, let us check. I first show you my database so you can understand better way. So yes, here F drive and Honda showroom and J2EE project. Yeah, that is our database. So I open. So look how record store insert operation. So I employee info, that is, you can look here, that is a our hobby, that is a field, and one field here you can see, that is a comma, that is a separation, because one field all hobby store in the same column, means same field. So we can separate, because here checkbox is three different checkbox. So we can click on the J table, but appropriate checkbox is selected automatically. So how it possible? So that is a very important logic. Now start I. So yes, first I declare as a string s2, and then rs get string, because that is a string field. So we can pass the six number because that column is a six. So all six field is selected. Now how to we can convert that is a separate. So what to do? So yes, here I again use as one dimensional array of string class, and that is h for hobby, and s2, yes, s2, and split, that is a method split, so separate. And you can look here, that is a we can use, yes, string range, that reference you can use, and limitation. So we can only, that is a delimiter, so that I use as a comma. Yes, so comma we have to pass. So separate comma, and all the store in h, that is a hobby. So h, that one array. And now how to we can select? So yes, I use as a for each loop. So that is a string variable I can again use, and that name is like we can as s, or yes, I give any name, so we cannot conflict any x. I think we have to not define an h. So where is h? Yes, here one dimensional array. And now what to do? So yes, that is a for each loop. So one by one we have to select. So yes, now no any error, and then we can provide if condition. So yes, that is a first x or s. You can also take as s. So x and trim. Yes, any blank space include. So we can trailing and leading. You can say that return a copy of string with a leading and trailing white space omit. Omit means remove. So that is required if any white space is bind up. So we can first remove and then equal comparison equal method, and which, so we can first, that is a reading, so perfectly, and then chk1, so that our hobby set is selected. So that is a set selected, like in our radio button, same set selected, and we can pass the true. So and then I copy, means yes, reading. So that is a, yes, e small. So perfect give that name, or You can also use checkbox chk1.x. So that is also possibility. So let us we can use that chk1.get text. That is a return the string, and directly in double quote you can also compare. So that both is valid. So let us check. So first our appropriate all record is selection, that is very important, and then we can perform the update and delete operation. That is a perfect way we can apply to our coding. So yes, now we can change the whole ID. So here require the chk2 and here also chk2, and here when we can copy be alert. So any change is remaining, so that taking error. So perfect. So chk1 here is 1, here is 1, here is 2, here is 2, and third chk3 and chk. So I give the that id chk123, so we can change as required perfect way. So yes, all is perfectly. So now I can remove this blank, no require. So our coding is finished. Yes, let us. So very step by step I take the yes so long coding. So let us check that coding is work. So I can control S, save, and compile. Yes, that is our sequence. So any code you can first save, then compile, and then run. So let us, we can minimize to our error. So now I can, yes, first I select in missing means blank row. So select valid row. Yes, that our perfectly coding. Now I can select appropriate row. So you can look here, that is a perfect. So we can match, yes, 101. Yes, here that is a J table I click, but the record come from the, our database original table. Ram, yes, name is perfect. Mail, yes, then department, HR, that our date, you can look here. That format and that format is different. So you can look here. So first we can take 4YY. Yes, here that is a J table date. So that is a YY and MM and DD. And then we can take as SDD, MM and YY. Now I think you have to understand. And there are, yes, reading and running. Yes, our that is a not perfectly. So yes, that is running and playing chess. So first hobby is not select properly. So yes, that is a radio button and always checkbox. So that perfect selection. Then other text box and that J combo box, or that is perfectly select. But always observe in your selection time. So that is a main measurement of our coding is a radio button and checkbox. So yes, here you can look. So reading is not select, but running and playing chess is select perfectly. So what to do? Yes, now we can check our coding. So how not selected perfectly. So let us check. I cancel and observation means our. So yes, here split and our database we can check. Yes, first yes, you can look here all three. So reading, running and playing chess. So first record there are three all hobby. So what to do? So yes, that previously selected is remaining. So first we can deselected. Yes, that is a better. So yes, chk1. So yes, I why I can give this condition. So again I run. So first press compile. So yes, I give first idea how I can take that which coding. So yes, I give the first record, yes, proper, but now I take second record. So again, you can look that is the same hobby. Not hobby is not perfectly selected. Yes, you can look here. And male female is perfectly selected. You can look here. Perfect. So only required to the checkbox, not perfect selection. So that we can apply to our improve to our coding. So let us check. So yes, that is a for each loop and that split. So you can store h and x stream. Yes, chk1, then trim chk2 set select set. So what to do? So first we can clear, yes, chk1 and set selected, and that we can pass the false. So any previously selected, that is unselected. So that is a better. Yes, now I can change the ID 2 and 3. And we can just here that is a directly, so equal method, and we can apply to our check. Yes, that is also perfect. Yes, let us check that work perfectly or not. So I control S again, then compile and then and run. So yes, let us check. So now yes, I select first record, but yes, that running is not selected. So yes, now that is a playing chess. So yes, you can look here. Previously selected unchecked. Yes, so perfect way. Yes, here. So reading, yes, here only reading is problem. Yes, so reading any. So yes, first hobby is not selected. So why that not select properly? So get text and check. Yes, perfect where we can apply to our coding. No any mistake. So we can take the sixth field in S2. S2 we can apply the split, and then we can first all are false, and then so yes, I check that is why not select. So I double quote and provide directly reading sometime that uh, let us check. So yes, all we can change. Yes, let us. There are two different way. So here running, and last I give the directly in double quote. So that is a, yes, that playing and chess. Yes, let us check first our design and that text. Yes, so reading, yes, running and playing. So C P and H is capital. Yes, now I can also observe. So reading, running, and playing in P and H is capital, and here first. So yes, now let us check. We can also take as a watch means bookmark and step by step observe our code. So first I control S, then compile. Let us check that perfect selected or not, and shift F6. So yes, now I can select. So you can look here, perfect, all three hobbies selected. So yes, now two perfect were selected, and here yes, you can look observation. So yes, what happened in previous coding? So that is a question. So yes, we can check. Yes, that is a very important session for your knowledge. So yes, previously I just copy this all part, yes, and paste. So while previous coding is same, but we can change as static means directly write to our original text, and previous I use as chk. So I give the comment line of this coding, our original main perfect coding. And why previous coding is not so you can how bookmark is very how to watch detect to your error. I cover this session in this session. So let us check. I again change to our chk1 and get text. Yes, and also we can provide the to string. Yes, sometime that is also required. So yes, why that take now? Yes, perfectly. So I think to string is we cannot apply in previous way. So chk true, and that is get text. Yes. Let us first I apply this coding. So both is work. Yes, to string is previously I cannot apply, now I can give. So let us that is a so chk3 and get text. Yes, so get text and string. Yes, so that is perfectly. So let us first we can, yes, that is a work or not. So I control S and compile and then run. So let us check. Yes, run, and I select. So yes, that is a not first. So our code is perfectly means previously, but here that not. So how to take as a watch bookmark? So yes, I take start to watch here. How to start the watch and how to debug your error. So I cover in this session. So yes, that is our sixth field, and I take here one that is a gray bar, and I take this mouse click. So you can look here one that is a pink color, that selection, and that how to start watch. So yes, in our project main folder Honda showroom, I take as right click and property window, and here run. Yes, you can look in left panel run, and here you can select that is a main method first run, but browse and you can select employee master form and set as main class. Yes, and then okay. So now what to do? So yes, you can run. Yes, that is a whole project you can run using the run main project, and that is debug main project and run. But here we can debug. So I press as F5. So let us check. I press F5. So okay. So debug. Yes. So you can look here. That is a start the watch and our form, yes, running. And now I click this JTable. So you can look directly come to our bookmark. Yes, you can look, that is a process. So any error, how to detect, that I cover in this session. So that is a very important. So any error you can detect. So now we can give the step by step. So which shortcut key? So you can look here, step info, that shortcut key, F7 function key. So now I press F7. So you can look here. So yes, S2, which, so you can look, that is all three hobbies selected, running and comma delimiter. So playing chess, so all three hobby in the first record, and that store that is split and store in one dimensional array of string variable. So I press F7 again. So here that not defined means if the length is 3 because there are 3 OB and that all are false. So one by one, yes. And now you can look here what is a value. So you can look now first, that is a reading is perfect selected, and now equal, yes, that is jump directly. Why? So you can look here, that is a trim function we can use, but that is not required because reading, and here that is a yes, not perfect, that is a get text and to string. So yes, that is a not comparison, directly jump. And here, yes, that is a reading, but that if condition is false, and here is also false because that is a perfect way reading is that, but not equal method check to our text chk1. So that is now second house selected. Let us check. I run that 4. Now you can look here running, and now that is a perfectly. So here is selected. Yes, let us check. Yes, why that select? So you can look here if condition is true. So why that not select to here? So same coding we can apply. Yes, here no any change. So then again third. So here that playing chess. Yes, perfect. So that not select, that not, yes, third is select. Yes, you can look. So that is a reading is a creating all that coding we can apply the perfect way, but not that not proper way selected. So yes, first that is chk and equal method. Yes, string we can use. Yes, same coding in first. So based on the if first condition we can copy and paste second and third checkbox, but first is not work. Yes, that is a creating problem. So our coding is ready. We can give the, yes, just I show you how to, yes, I now cancel this bookmark and also this selection. So our this coding is work perfectly, but first that is I remove the string function. Yes, and let us check. So yes, I remove this all, that is a string is not required. So only equal method. Yes, let us check. So that is also testing. Yes, so I remove. So yes, we can compile, and I shift F6 so directly, and let us check. Yes, but first is not selected. So yes, we can check perfect way, and I remove this bookmark. So here stop, yes, and which key? So Yes, step out, control F7. So I control yes and F7 function key. Yes, so that is a go in detail part. So yes, that perfectly, but our design coding is over. Yes, first I close. Yes, here one all are all close. So yes, perfectly, but yes, here that bookmark I remove. So you can look now that is removed perfect way. And that coding is not work because that is a not a trim. Yes, and without trim that not work only first hobby. So I think that is a that tax yes reading. So reading, yes, that is I think correct string. And we can check also in database table. So yes, that is a reading. Yes, perfect way. So yes, our here form is open. So I close. So yes, that is where our form is open. So I take as minimize. So yes, now that you can look here. So exit, here exit. So yes, that is a process because we can take as bookmark. So wait some time because that is yes, now that close. So perfect. And now that our coding is perfect. So yes, that coding I check and give the solution to you. And here our coding is ready perfect way. Our all hobby three hobbies selected. So there is no issue, that is also perfect way. But that coding I check in my next upcoming video. I give the solution. So we cannot take as long of this session. So yes, here I think first that not select, otherwise all are well. This technique and our previous technique. So chk1 dot get text and to string. Yes, we can also apply the to string. So yes, I save and let us I compile. So and run. Yes, let us check all hobby. And now I think I click. So you can observe. So all hobby and when important check radio button and checkbox. So you can look. Yes, I select all perfect and first deselected and then selected. So now turn to update button. So what to do coding? Just start. So update is only setup. We can apply to that query is a save button. So we can just like in cancel button, we can apply the setting. So here we can only setting that is update operation. Yes. So what is a yes? Now I can perfect step by step. So yes, first we can provide one if condition, and that is a txt eid, and that is a get uh, text. Yes, and that is a we can say that blank. So yes, or directly equal method. So that is a blank. So means that not select by user. And that second is our combo box. So combo underscore EPT, and that is also get selected item and dot or equal directly. So yes, first I take my screen to above. Yes, equal, and that is also blank and operator, and that is txt. Yes, I first take as full screen. Yes, j joining date. Yes, so yes, get text and equal to blank. So what to do? So yes, first that we can give the one message msg. So we can say that show yes, show message box, and we can first that is a null, and we can say that validation that is select record. So or yes, select first. Yes, we can say that first select record, then you can apply the update. And that what to do? So yes, directly return. And as part, if all are properly selected, so what to do? So yes, here that is my first that insert operation in previous video, that is what define the flag variable. So I first show you, so you can look here, that is a flag initialize 0. So flag 0 means cancel, flag 1 is insert, and flag 2 is update operation. So here we can apply the update operation. So flag is 2, or you can also take the button flag. And then control enable disable. So first that is a we can take as true, and button enable that flag. Yes, button, not control, we have already take. So that is all our user defined method. And here we which pass as a true. So save and cancel is so that is a on. So true, false, and false, so true. So yes, here update button. So save and cancel. So we can pass as a false. So save and cancel is on. So that is our requirement only. That is setup. So where is we can write to our update query, and that is a we can in my previous video I told you we can take as meaningful way to use our coding as possible as. So that is a remove the redundancy and increase the reusability. So that is a feature of inheritance. So I again repeat this point. So yes, that is only setup here with validation. So now we can turn to coding in the save button. That is a update we can just set up. And now turn to save button. I already insert query in this save button, and same coding we can use is a update. So yes, I click. That's why it is not. Yes. So you can look here. So here in that is a if condition again, and flag equal to. So we can yes, and that is a prepare statement, same, that is a method prepare statement, and we can apply to update query. So update, just to know update query. So we can perform update operation. So this here we can select this appropriate record and perform to our update operation. So that is a very important. So select query we have to already perform, and now turn to update operation. So which coding? So yes, you have to know update operation, that is a required to just you have to take as update operation. So update, and then your table name. So emp info and a set keyword. Yes, I think you have to know set keyword. And then first, yes, you can directly first field. Yes, here there are 6 fields. So that original, so e that is the employee id, and that I take as question mark, and comma, and name. So yes, our table is already here, I open. So you can look here, that is eid, then e name, gen, department, joining, jdate, and hobby. So there are 6 fields. So yes, that I again open our NetBeans. So yes, e name, so question mark, then gen, question mark, then we can say that department, so dept, question mark, and then we can say that j date, joining date, and question mark, and hobby, hob, and that is question mark, and where close. Yes, so here again eid, employee id, and then question mark. So that is a perfect we can write to update emp info set. So yes, here you can start directly also is employee name, but our insert operation, this field is required. So I take this field 2 times here and here also. So there are actual 7 index, and you can look here. So we can same coding use here, start index 1. So I copy this line because we can also need in the where clause. So where is where we can here apply. So you can look here, if condition I can apply, and that is we can say that flag equal to. So we can again, that is a same first line, and I give the index is 7 because 6 is our update field. So I use a same coding. So here start the save coding and update, both that coding is one. So otherwise what happen, you can same coding duplication in the update button. So I use a save button. Now I think you have to understand. So yes, here flag, yes, now perfect. And here that we can use, yes, here insert operation, and again one if condition, yes, answer is greater than 0. So that is we can apply to a message very so your record is successfully and as part. So I copy this line and paste, and now I can close this if condition. So flag is 1. Yes, we can use both one button to insert and update both. So we can say that error in insert record and remove this success record, and same copy this all if part and copy and paste. So why? Because we can also use that validation to so flag, yes, means update. So I flag 2. So answer, yes, where is answer variable? So execute update. So that return data type is integer. So we can answer, and we can use answer is greater. So insert query, and flag is 1 and flag is 2. So answer is greater than. So we can say successfully update record successfully and error in update operation. So that is a perfect. Let us check. I saved. Yes. So let us check. I control S, save, and compile and run. So let us. Yes. I first select one record. Yes, now I take as update button, so you can look. But yes, here, yes, that is a not open, because in constructor time I can let us, yes, that is a change. So that is not change in update operation. So we can remove this enable disable. Yes, so that is a, I think, enable disable control time we can on off. So I can remove. Yes, that is very important. So yes, I can change that all hobby. So I first remove any one hobby. Yes, is middle one, and I also change the department. So that is a purchase, and also let us check Ram to Ramesh. So Ramesh, yes, let us check. So we can change the name. Yes, that is department and hobby. So now I press, yes, you can look here button. So save and cancel. There are, and exit is also on. So save, yes. So you can look update record successfully. Yes, you can look name is changed, then department, and then hobby. Yes, you can look here reading and playing, running, reading and playing chess. So in between running is missing, means change. So let us check our. So yes, that is a, you can look here, that is a table also change. So Ram to Ramesh, then department, HR to purchase, and there are two hobby. So one running is so that's perfectly. But here, yes, one important correction. So that my method, so that time I enable disable. Yes, you can look here. So yes, here set enable disable, I remove this, because we can, yes, not on this our employee ID, that is auto generate. So in constructor time, you I give the, that is a set editable, means enable false. So we cannot open anywhere. Yes, so let us like open, means save, control S, then compile and then run. That is perfect. So let us now, I give the first select now, that is a year, second record, and give the update operation. You can look now that not any change by user, because that is a auto generate and that is changed by user. So that is a primary key in database, and all our link is, means employee ID is disturbed. So we cannot enable anyway. Yes, that is our requirement. And based on the, we can update and delete employee ID, we can, that is primary key, and we can update and delete operation where close that our field is employee ID. So we cannot editable. So anyway, yes, now I change to here, that is a all hobby I select, and department I HR. and save. Yes, so update, yes, our message, not insert, update. You can look here. So the department change, yes, here hobbies, all three. And you can also observe in second record, you can look all three hobbies and that department. So yes, our update operation is complete successfully. And now last in this session, and that is a delete. So just let us check. Now in this session, I apply the delete. So yes, I right click and yes, event action perform. And so yes, that is a delete. So what to do? So first we can take as confirmation. Yes, do you want to delete this record? So first we can take one if condition and MSG or message box and show confirm dialog box. So that is a perfect way. Confirm dialog box. And first that is a null. Yes, that is a null. And next what to do? So yes, here we can give the message. Are you sure to delete this record? Yes, user give the yes. So then and then we can. So that is a zero. So if condition is true, so we can. If a user take no, so that is we cannot delete our record. And then we can use as try catch block now that needed. So in if condition we can apply the try catch block. And first I always write in the catch block. So that is a print stack trace. And now what to do? So yes, that is a directly we can provide the statement. So st and execute query, or yes, execute update, not query, because directly execute update. And that we can say that delete, yes, delete from we can say that employee info. And where, yes, where we, so how to, yes, that is a directly. So eid equal to, and that is a we can say that text integer field. So here we can give the ext and that eid, and that is a get text. So yes, that yes, here we can find the plus. So that perfectly. So based on the employee ID, we can delete our record and then take as results set, and I use as statement again, and that is execute query now. Yes, now perfectly. So what to do? Yes, so we can call to our grid. So select. So we can also effect in the grid. So JTable. So emp info. Yes, only, and that we can pass fill grid. Yes, that is our method, and pass the rs. So only, yes, that is finish. So that is a only 3 line. So yes, not any other coding is required. So yes, and we can also confirm, yes, here your record is after catch block. So if that if condition, yes, is a user can give yes. So what to do? So yes, that after we can msg. So I just copy uh, here, but I use as a message dialog box, not confirm. So after if condition, yes, so msg and show message, and first is null, and we can say that your record is deleted. Yes. And now, yes, so what to do? So yes, then after we can take as clear method call. So yes, that is a require. So we can use as a clear method. And field grid we can all here directly call. Yes, here if record is deleted, so then and then if user press the if condition. So yes, so that is also we can take in the inside the if coding. So user give the yes, then and then your record is deleted and clear. Yes, that apply. Otherwise, what happen? Directly say that your record is deleted. So that not proper. So yes, perfect way. So yes, I think uh, let us check. So I remove this blank. Okay, so save, Control S, and let us check. I compile and now run. Yes, so that is a last point of the session delete operation. So I first add, yes, so yes, I insert one record, and that is a like Pooja or any name, and female. So that is testing. I check order, department, and joining date. So that is a current. So that is a 20 March, and then 2021, and I give all hobbies. So first, that is only two button. You can look our flag. So means algorithm button on off. So perfect way you can look here. I press add. So all add, update, and that delete is disabled. And save, cancel, and exit. You can also exit is disabled. So now I press save. So insert record successfully. At the same time, yes, your all are clear. Then enable false, and then that record also in the, so that is insert I take in my previous video lecture, and auto generate. So add, save, cancel, and exit. And now grid button click means mouse click, and update delete operation we have to take. Now I select this last record, and that perfectly select. You can look here. And now what to do? So here that enable is not in update operation. Yes, sir. First I also take update. So yes, I change that department. So already I take update operation. So stop, and I remove one hobby. Yes, here playing chess, and also change the name. Like we can give the Puja to Mira or any name. Just save. So you can look update record successfully. So yes, that name change, department, and hobby, you can see that hobby is last is not. And now what to do? So again I select the same record, and here I give the delete. Yes, so first, are you sure to delete this record? I give the no. So that record is not deleted. So what to do? Yes, again now I delete. So again, are you sure to delete this record? Now I give the yes. So you can, your record is deleted. Yes, and you can look here, that is already clear. And also now here also clear. So perfect our all that target. So grid selection, and then we can apply to update and delete. So all 6 button coding is complete in this session. And here mouse click event, that selection record to appropriate control in JTable and come from the database, and then we can apply the update and delete. So in next my upcoming video, I take the search operation, and then and after last we can apply to validation. So that possibility 2 or 3 transaction form I also take, but here first we can complete this form. So yes, regarding these 3 operations, so mouse click of JTable and update and delete operation. So yes, I exit. So I just show you my coding. So first in this part, you can take as mouse click event, and you can look here very long coding is there. So I just show you. So I not repeat all that part because I already explained. So step, and here we can just one remaining important point. So after I testing, I give the suggestion, but that coding is work perfectly. So no any other require. And also you can apply the radio button. Yes, here if radio button is perfect, we select. But if that is a any, so we can say that more improvement. So OPTM and set selected, same set selected. So you can look here set selected, and here also you can false first both. Here we can in checkbox you can look here. So same way, if any remaining opt main and set selected, and that is also false, then perfect way here if condition is perfect way selection. So yes, that save. So perfect. And then yes, I think, I hope, and that is a date field is very important in this session. So that is a 5 line of coding. Yes. So and then we can apply the update, that is only setting in this update event. So I directly come to action perform of update button. So yes, now that's selected. Okay, so first is validation. If first select record and return directly, yes, that is we have to not check. Yes, let us check. So this condition first select record and return, and let us check. I save. Now the selection and user press the update button, so that taking this validation file. And last we can, yes, I just show you, and that is delete operation. So that is a confirm dialog box directly in if condition we have to take. You can look here, are you sure to delete this record? Yes. So that return means that 0 if condition is true, delete from employee, and that is our already selected, and record in field that grid. And also we can clear, yes, here at the last that I apply the clear, but your record is deleted before we can clear. Yes, I change the sequence, and now I compile. So first I save, compile, and run. So now I run, and without, yes, I give, yes, you can look here. So that is a yes, not update. Yes, I directly press update, but record is not selected. So let us check update operation. So yes, we can apply the inverter not equal to blank. So then and then, so you can look here. Yes, here we can provide equal not, yes, not sign. So let us navigation, like in our insert operation, I give the name. So I just show you. So Control S, and let us check in save button. So we can same if condition provide. So where is that coding? Yes, I just show you. So that is a delete mouse click event. Okay, so that is a window open. Yes, that you can see here. So if blank, yes, here same condition. So that is I Control S, then compile again, and then run. So you can improve. Yes, that is a very important. Improve to our logic step by step. Now I can select. So that is not proper because that is not our condition is considered. So that is a just bypass. So why? Yes, let us check. So if equal to blank, so let us check. I directly run. Yes, first I select and then update. So yes, you can first select add. So that time that giving the condition, so that is a equal blank is previously or require condition is properly. So yes, I use negative means not equal. So that is we can remove. Yes, so that is a testing, and then we can get the idea. So that is a base on the testing. So yes, I directly go in design. So update action perform event. So we cannot search. Yes, directly come. Yes, and here equal. Yes, that equal blank, and operation here blank, and here blank. Now perfectly. And then first select your record. Yes, and return directly. So perfect. So I save, Control S, and compile, and then run. So all are well, I think. Let us check. So now I can select that not giving any message. Yes, that proper sequence, and now update. So that perfect work. Now I give the cancel. So you can look that is perfectly work. And yes, we can delete, but are you sure to delete this record? But record is not selected. So you can also apply the same validation condition in the delete operation. If user not select any record and directly press to delete, so I cancel. So that is option is there, cancel button is there, but you can apply the validation condition. So now I think I hope you can enjoy this session. So now I conclude this session because very long session is there. So my upcoming video lecture, I take the search operation. Yes. So any question regarding this select from grid? Yes, here we can already select it, then update and delete. So yes, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.